Vanakkam, Krishna Mackenzie. Today we're going to show you probably one of the most versatile and easy to grow and tasty, because it's all about the taste, fruit trees in Tamil Nadu. And it's what we call in Tamil Attaparam, not Attiparam. Atti is a fig, Attaparam. It's also known as Ramphal or bullocks heart. It's the brother fruit of the custard apple, the sitafal. And the trees are all over us because they tick all the boxes of local food. They grow easily. Because they grow easily, they use less water. Because they grow easily, they're in abundance. Because they grow easily, they're economically, non-exclusive. So something like a kiwi or even apples come from Himalaya. But this is a weed, and it has high medicinal nutritional values. Local food, Ramphal. Let's see what we can do with it. So as you can see, she's broken open the Ramphal, and there's this very custardy, very soft flesh that when we add it with water, as you'll see in a minute, it becomes a cream. So now she's going to scoop out the flesh into a bowl. And add a little water and really mix it up together. See, the thing with the Ramphal, it's so hyper productive at times. You can eat one, you can eat two, you can eat three, and you can eat another three another day, and another three another day, but there's still too much Ramphal. So either you start some little shop or you start to make other products with it. So ice cream is a great thing to make with it, and also just to make a cream that you can add to chutneys, and you can add to salad dressings, you can add to cakes. So here the cream gets then put in a filter. And we can put it in a little bowl like this. And there you have, this goes in the freezer. Goes in the freezer, and this will be ready later as a beautiful frozen ice cream. But as I said, I have a fast forward way to do this. So in our kitchen we do it like that because it stays more white and we can keep it for a longer time. But if you just want to do it immediately, here's the fast forward way to do it. So let's just wash the hands really well. And now we're going to put this Ramphal with the skin in a bowl, with another one in a bowl, and we're going to add the water to this bowl. And now we're just going to passenging it like this. And this is a little bit liquidy, I have done it. It's not as thick as what she's done. But I like using this in salad dressings. I like adding this to sauces, or it's a bit sweet to add into a sort of vegetable dish, but into as a sort of salad dressing, or into as a smoothie, adding it into a smoothie is really awesome. So look, there we have a cream already, and all we have to do is again pass it through here. So look, I just added another little bit of water in here, just to get this pulp that's still There's still a lot of cream in it, but it's not really coming out, you know, it just needs to get out again. So there we have another batch mixed up. Now, the ladies in the cafe, they say, no, Krishna, we have to scoop it out because it gets too dark. I admit it is a slightly darker, and maybe over time is not as nice as when it's done in her way. But this is fast food Ford way. You know, if you want to just add that now quickly into a smoothie, you could. So this is a papaya Ramphal smoothie. So I'm just going to add this into the papaya. I'll put a little lemon in it as well. This is actually a tangerine. It's really nice. It goes well with the papaya and makes it just a little bit, you know, tangy. So put that in there. Turn it on. This is the frozen Ramphal here. And that's really thick, you know, you can see that it's not falling off my my spoon, you know, it's really yummy. So we'll add this Ramphal tangerine papaya mix in here, and in the top of this, we'll whack a little bit of this. And this is what we love to give to our customers in Solitude Farm Cafe. You know, you give them the best. Now this is a king's drink. That Ramphal is nothing but a weed. The papaya grows without any effort. It's amazing, all in all. Guys, this is where it's at, you know. At the end of the day, it's got to bring you joy. Thank you very much.